Okay, so we're gonna walk back. I just checked on the chickens, and you're probably not gonna be able to see, but like the whole yard is flooded. And we're gonna walk back without trying to fall. Ooh. Okay. So, yeah, that's the state of Louisiana. We're kind of underwater. And it's windy. And I'm trying to walk slow so that doesn't happen. I just almost fell in the mud. But it's rained so much here that the mud back there, it's not as much up here, but the mud is so thick that you step down and it's actually hard to pull your foot back up. I have to go lock this. So, but a plus with the rain, put this down, is that almost fell. Oh, I'm being little lazies. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can get you to see them. Oh gosh, where are they? They're through there. You can't really see them. They're all standing there looking at me, thinking I'm gonna bring them more treats. It's not gonna happen. But the good thing with the rain is that every time I feed them black oil sunflower seeds, I just kind of take a handful and toss it as I walk. That hopefully when the water goes down, the seeds will be in mud. And she's complaining. And they'll plant. So, either we're going to have an overabundance of sunflowers, or they'll end up getting mowed down when we mow the yard in a few weeks. Or there'll only be one. I know there is one growing. Let's go see if we can find it. Oh, and there's water in my boots. Didn't tell you all that. Yeah, there's water covering my feet because there's a hole in both boots and I can't find it. So, but let's see. Oh, hush, y'all. I can't see. Here it is. Let's see if I can walk over here without getting stuck. Oh, yep, I'm gonna get stuck. Let's see. Oh, falling. It's right there. And there might be more. There's one right here. I don't know if it's still alive though. And the chickens are complaining still. Okay, so, but I'm going inside because it's a workout to get through the mud without falling. And I'm ready to get this water out of my boots because it's not exactly the best feeling in the world. Okay, bye.